Hi there, it's Effie here. I hope you're all doing well. And today I want to share with us on Be a Doer. If this is your first time on my channel, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe, like, share, and comment. My mission is to inspire you, to broaden your horizon, to expand your vision, and to enlarge your coast. And look beyond your situation, your current situation, or your current state, or your current condition, and explore and also get the results that you want. So today I'm going to talk about Be a Doer. A lot of people have great dreams. They want to go to great places, and they want to achieve great heights, but they don't want to do what it takes to get there. They say, but they don't do. And you know what? Saying is cheap, but doing takes discipline. It takes persistence. It takes patience. It takes you going out of your comfort zone. It takes you making sacrifices. It takes you being disciplined. And you know what? There are a lot of people who, like I said, want to go on in life. They try, they fail, they try again, they fail, they try again, and they quit. But a few people try, they fail, they analyze, they adjust. They try again, they fail, they analyze, and they adjust. And with every analysis and adjustment, there comes improvement. And so doing should be consistent. I want to give an example of, if for example you want to read a 50-page book within 1 week, you have to set out maybe 15 to 20 minutes every single day of that week without fail to read at least 7 pages a day. And 7 pages a day in 7 days is 49 pages. So you can read maybe 8 pages on the last day or any of the days. But it all starts with a goal. If you have a goal that you want to achieve, then you need to do something about it. You need to take action in the right direction. And life is, take it as a challenge. Life is a challenge. And once you face those challenges, face them with a positive attitude, a winning attitude. I like listening to Les Brown. He has a video that says, "It's not over until I win." I would recommend that you listen to it. I will put the link somewhere around here so that you can listen to it. But it gives you a winning attitude, and that helps you in life to have a winning attitude towards everything, anything that comes across your way. Once you have a winning attitude, it will help you. Instead of allowing yourself to blame the situation or to blame people or to blame something, have a winning attitude. And I got to know Les Brown, or I got to hear of Les Brown through one of my friends who runs an online business. He introduced me to this training academy because I was looking for a way to earn a living, a better way to earn living apart from doing a job and getting paid at the end of the month. So I wanted something that that was more flexible for me. And he introduced me to some resources. He gave me those resources free of charge, so I didn't have anything to lose. And so I went through those resources, and you know what? I took action because I was blown away. I got so much information. I learned a lot. I learned things that I didn't know existed. But now I thank God, because looking back, I have really improved. So I don't know if you're looking to expand your vision, if you're looking to enlarge your coast or broaden your horizon, or if you're looking for solutions as to how to get to where you want to get to. You have goals, but you don't know how to get there. I would recommend that you go through these resources. They are free of charge as well, and you don't have anything to lose if you go through them. I'll just put the link somewhere around here, and then you can go through them and then make up your mind in the end. I wish you all the best in whatever decision you take, but be a doer, because it is only those that do that actually get results. Yes, it is good to say, it is good to plan to do those things, but if you don't actually do them, if you don't actually act on them, then you won't get the results that you're looking for. So that's my short share for today. I'll just put some links around here that will help you. And if you just want to go ahead and click any of those links, go ahead and get the knowledge that you require. I'll be shooting more videos more regularly, so you can like, share, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already done so. All right, then I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay blessed, inspired, and grateful. Thanks for watching.